Number 6. At various times over the past 10 years, economists in some Western countries have felt that China was manipulating the value of its currency, keeping it artificially low in order to give the country an export advantage. The point is that if the yuan is valued at less than it's actually worth, imported goods will cost more in yuan than they should, and that will make imports less attractive to Chinese buyers, leading to an export advantage. Some economists feel the yuan is valued 20% less than it should be compared to the US dollar. If that's accurate, $1 should be worth less yuan than the actual exchange rate is. So as we said before, right now, 1 US dollar is equivalent to 7 1/10 Chinese yuan. Okay, so if the yuan is undervalued by 20%, then 1 US dollar should be worth 20% less yuan. Find out what the exchange rate should be. So we need this to be 20% less than it is. Well, 20% less than what it is would be 80%, right? So we're not trying to find then 80% of 7 1/10. So we do that by changing the percent to a decimal and multiplying. And so let's go ahead and round that to 5.71. Okay, so that's what it should be. Okay, we're going to need this idea for number 7. Okay, number 7 asks us how much would that affect the price of a Volkswagen in China? Well, with our new exchange rate, we have y equals 4.7D. Okay, so remember that Volkswagen in the previous problem was $24,000. So 24,000 times 5.7 gives us 136,801. Okay, so in the previous problem, it was 170. Well, nope, yeah, 170,400. So 170,400 minus 136,800. Go ahead and subtract that. Means it was 33,600 less. Oops. It's morning. All right.